What's up guys? Today I'm going to try to make an end grain cutting board using old skateboards. Let's do it. Stupid.
In the jet stream, yeah. In the jet stream, in the jet stream, yeah. Yeah, my grandfather was a fighter pilot. Back in '9 when you could find an uncharted island. Get up and down and fit a tank up with enough to fight a Thailand. Keep our feet up on the metal and his eyes on the horizon. Oh, 30,000 feet above the tropics. Oh, look out from the cockpit, moving through the jet stream. Landed on a beachhead, exited the aircraft. Did the moped that he ran in front of friendlies like a 10-speed. Next destination hit the Caymans. That's where the guys reside, traded with the natives. National Geographic pushed the Cessna to the clouds, get past it. Hit the ground running, this is fucking fantastic. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Cause even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Hey, I wasted on this, yeah. I still wasted on this, and now the feeling stops. And friction on the wings, and physics on the blocks. I dip into the jet stream, turning up a notch. Taking off at Newark and landing in the Bronx. I went non-stop in the middle of a wicked hurricane, just to see the faces of the people in the plane. They're fastening the seatbelt as she whip it through the rain. In the jet stream, fresh off the flight, I get fresh on. I might take the rest of the night to pull my feet up. If we landed down an island, find the lyrics really beat up. If she come to visit often, we could have a couple Ninas. If she dig the pilot type, yeah, be my senorita. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Cause even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Hey, I wasted on this. Every time for a freestyle, it goes deep within the jungle of my mind is a legendary foe that get popped like lightning when we toe to toe. I started flowing, he was thrown against the ropes from what I boldly wrote. Choke, yelled the crowd, I riot, overdosing on the serotonin, the feelings I required when I'm flying in a minute in the whip. Take off, break off, flip the switch, hit a gear. See the tower burning made off. Oh, I don't think that really played off. And mother Molly back, yelling music booming in range of copacetic part the piston when I move it. I be fight the devil with my bare hands in the vodka. I'll be in the back of the plane with your doctor. I see no sky limits, I'm in the jet stream. I'm trying to find the whole world, catch my breath please. Ooh, and I set it down low, I'm in the mountains, yeah. Where that town go? It goes sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream, yeah. Sky limits in a jet stream. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Cause even if all I ever did was waste my breath, I still wasted on this. Hey, I wasted on this. I wasted on this.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm, all that stuff. And if you like the song, make sure you check him out. His name is Wingman Fly. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check him out. Till next time.